one more pull just to run it out the back door. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, guys, we're out cruising today, and Ken said I need to expand my horizons a little bit and be out around cars that maybe aren't Fox bodies. So that's what we're doing today. Actually, the point is we've got two really sick S197, both Gen 1 Coyote engines, one turbo, one NA, and then of course we got S550s and just, yeah, everything. My thing is, I want to see how bad the Gen 1 Coyote is. Is it as good as the Gen 2? I don't know. Let's check it out. Alright, y'all, so we had to experience the Gen 1 Coyote turbo power firsthand. Probably ought to buckle up, right?
Yeah. So it's got a push button first manual valve body.
Nice. You said it's a turbo 400?
Yeah, fully built, stage 4, turbo 400. It's built to handle the power.
Yeah.
I was telling him in the last video, I built the car from the back up. I did the turbo first, but I kept it low boost. Then I built the rear end, did the whole full suspension, shocks, transmission.
Nice.
So now it's left the motor and I'm good to go.
You gonna sleeve it? And
I'm gonna go all out.
Hell
I was
yeah.
telling him I want 2,000 wheel at the minimum.
And the bad thing is, it's not really hard to do anymore with these Coyotes.
So that's why I was telling him I'm putting 20. I already have the 176. I'm gonna put another one on. The 176s.
Crazy. All right, guys, give us a second here. We're gonna get out on the 4-lane and let her eat. Boost are we running right now?
No. Right now, when I boosted it, run about 9 or 10 pounds.
Are you on a spring or controller or?
Controller.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it like progressive or?
Like I said, I went from the back forward. It's practically stock motor.
Yeah.
For me to run low 6 like I did on what I did was, when I did that was on 7 pounds of boost, 7.5 I think was what it was.
Right.
And now I think we're on 10, so I should hit the high 5s now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo! Alright, guys, so I know you probably couldn't tell how hairy that pole was, but we're on a back road in Mexico, and yeah, that was hairy. But yeah. That was big. That was a bad, man. This thing on some actual like 16 pounds, unreal. All right, guys. So we're pushing our luck a little bit in Mexico, but one more pull just to run it out the back door. Woo! God Almighty! Oh, wait. Couldn't see the gauge because the damn sun was shining in it. Woo! What are they doing? Man, that evil. Yeah, she bad, y'all, so stay tuned. We're gonna do a little more playing with this one. Alright, Brett, this is yours. What year is this?
This is a
12?
2011
11, 12?
GT Premium.
Nice. So I'm living that NA life too. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm all about it.
Hey,
Got Boss Manning, cold air, BBK throttle body.
JBA headers,
Oh yeah.
X-pipe, no cat,
Heck yeah.
Magnaflow axle
Tune.
backs.
Yeah.
Been dyno tuned, runs off EA5.
Very nice.
Tune about Taylor tuning, 5th gear.
I mean, these NA motors, they do work. Yeah, she runs good.
Yeah. Rides like a dream.
And you got the drag pack. That definitely helps.
Lightens it up a little bit.
For real. It's sharp, dude. I never really even looked at the S197s when I got the S550.
Yeah.
And now I'm looking at these. I'm like, man, freaking things look good.
Yeah, I don't know. I just think they're the best looking model.
Yeah,
the
they're sharp.
S197 is one of the best looking model Mustangs they've made so far.
And yours is 6-speed. You got premium interior and everything.
Heated seats.
Heck yeah.
It is one gorgeous car.
It's sweet, dude. So there you go. That was freaking awesome. Turbo Coyote pulls all day. I mean, that thing was an absolute animal, and definitely giving me some ideas about the Fox body. Hint, hint. You know, because honestly, my goal, what I was thinking, my plan was switch to a Gen 2 motor before I do boost. You know, to make as much power as possible, but you know, I'm riding in Randy's car, and I'll put Randy's Instagram below, so you can stop by and check him out. But, you know, riding in that car, Gen 1 Coyote, with just a turbo and a tune, oh my God. I mean, that was insane. So it's definitely giving me some food for thought. Had a great day. Good meeting Randy and Brett. Good times. They'll be at the Ford Takeover, so keep an eye out for them. And if you're not already planning on it, start planning right now. May 4th, Jackson, Tennessee, Jackson Dragway. I rented out the track. It's going to be awesome. And, you know, come in the night before for the pre-meet. It's going to be a great night, great day, just awesome time. So, hope everybody enjoyed the Turbo Coyote pulls. I had a blast. And be back with more something. I don't know. Something good. Awesome. All right. Later, guys.